Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews.
Today, we're diving into the world of lawn care with a close look at what could be the best John Deere L120 deck belt on the market.
Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the Kuumai lawn mower engine to deck V-belt.
Now, if you're a proud owner of a John Deere L120, L130, L2048, or L2548, this belt might just become your new best friend.
What makes this belt stand out? Well, it's all in the details.
At 139 inches long and half an inch wide, it's designed to fit snugly and securely, ensuring optimal performance for your mower. And here's the kicker. It's a direct replacement for OEM belts like the John Deere GX 20305 and GY 20571. That means you're getting the same quality and reliability, but perhaps with a little extra durability thrown in.
Now, let's talk about ease of installation. Nobody wants to spend hours fiddling with their mower, right? Well, fear not. According to the manufacturer, this belt is designed to meet rigid specifications, making installation a breeze for both seasoned pros and DIY enthusiasts alike. But what really sets this belt apart? It's all about performance. With excellent resistance to heat, oil, and abrasion, you can trust that this belt will keep your mower running smoothly, season after season. And the best part? You're getting all of this performance at a price that won't break the bank. At just $19.99, it's a small investment for peace of mind and reliable performance.
So, there you have it folks, the Kuumai lawn mower engine to deck V-belt.
Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional landscaper, this belt could be the missing piece to your lawn care puzzle. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy mowing!